Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving ownership and opening admin access to your domain registrar and DNS host. Once done, you create MX records to route mail and add an SPF record to authorize sending servers. This prevents spoofing. Make sure to plan DKIM keys now so messages can be signed, and set a preliminary DMARC policy to monitor. These steps matter because they establish delivery trust. Without them, your mail will be blocked or flagged as spam. You now configure the mail host. Input MX records with correct priorities and reasonable TTL so propagation is timely. Then publish the DKIM public key in DNS and enable signing on outbound mail. This ensures message integrity. Configure SMTP with authentication and set a MAP or POP settings for clients. Require TLS to protect credentials in transit. Also verify reverse DNS and Hilo/ALO values to match your sending IP. These details improve deliverability and avoid graylisting or rejection. You finish by running targeted tests. Send messages to varied providers and inspect headers for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC pass results. Once satisfied, provision mailboxes and configure client access with the correct ports and TLS settings, then monitor delivery logs and bounce reports. If problems occur, verify DNS propagation, check DKIM key formatting, and review SMTP logs for authentication errors. One key troubleshooting tip: clear local DNS cache and requery authoritative name servers to confirm recent DNS changes are visible before blaming the mail server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.